Hi everyone, welcome back to HowtoLogin. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your bank account on Investors Bank using your mobile device. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account right from your Android device, then you can keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your web browser on your mobile device. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and search for www.investorsbank.com. You'll end up in the home page of Investors Bank, which looks like this. Go to the sign in button in the upper right hand corner and tap it on. Now, as soon as you do that, you'll see your sign in area. Type in your username right where it says username and make sure you're typing it correct. Now, head over to the password text box and type in your password. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can tap on Forgot User ID link. Similarly, if you don't remember your password and you would like to reset to a new one, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. If you're not enrolled for online banking yet, tap on this Enroll link and follow the instructions in order to register yourself to a new account. Finally, after typing in all of your information, tap on the Login button in green in order to log into your online banking account for Investors Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.